The Uganda Law Society says lawmakers recently indicted by the Constitutional Court and expelled by the August House should not enter the precincts of Parliament as MPs. The ruling was made due to the reluctance of MPs previously elected on the independent platform to resign their seats after joining mainstream parties. It came on the heels of a petition by an aggrieved citizen, George Awor, against West Budama North MP William Okecho for being nominated as flag bearer for the ruling party without first resigning his seat as an independent MP. The Uganda Law Society says their continued stay is in contempt of the court ruling.
There is no stay of execution, and we know that currently there is none, and therefore I would expect the country to be informed by the Speaker and the Electoral Commission that the full effect of the court decision has been done.
However, most of the affected MPs have since been hobnobbing with the Speaker in the corridors of Parliament. ULS President Bruce Cherere argues that they can only return if the Supreme Court, which sits to hear Okecho's appeal, rescinds the decision of the lower court.
They are no longer there. They should vacate, and they are considered to have vacated. So that is what the import of the decision is.
Cherere says the MPs are also not eligible to participate in the polls and should refund the salaries they earned in the past 5 years. Commenting about the Institute of Parliament, which has been frowned upon by the public, Cherere said the 20 million shillings recently pocketed under the guise of monitoring NAD's programs is a travesty of parliamentary democracy.
The citizens of Uganda have since lost confidence in what is largely now regarded as a bunch of unprincipled, opportunistic self-seekers passing off as honorables.
He said the timing during campaigns smacks of suspicion, especially when government ministries are broke. Just a few days before the polls, the ULS says these campaigns have largely been the most peaceful. However, citing the unrest in Egypt and Tunisia, Cherere said it's important for governments to adhere to the principles of democracy and rule of law. ULS says both the citizens and the state should aspire for a peaceful election on February 18th. Emam Taiziwa, NTV Tonight.